Hey y'all, welcome back. So in this video we are going to be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for March 2020. So if you're interested to see what I got in my box this month, go ahead and stay tuned. As always, we have our lovely little mini magazine that talks about all the different products. In our box, we have a lot of skincare, it would appear, this month. So the first one I see is Rituals of Ayurveda. I don't know. But this is a foaming shower gel. I actually went through an entire bottle of this. It was like a white bottle that we received from BoxyCharm. I use the entire thing up. So I'm actually excited to get this back. I thought it was great, and it does work very nice as like a shaving cream too. So multifunctional product. Next, we have the Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. I actually already have this product. I keep it in my purse, and it is very moisturizing. It's like a real like buttery, like soft moisturizing formula. It is really nice. I'm not a crazy huge fan of the applicator. I wish it was like a little bit thicker and soaked up more product, but the formula itself is really nice. And I'll set this aside for a future giveaway for you guys since I already have one. The next product is by Mamonde. And I actually am more excited about this product now after seeing, it's Amanda's Allure Beauty Box. She mentioned Mamonde, I don't even know, but how much she loves this brand and how like luxurious they are. I had no idea. I'd never really heard of them before or really tried anything by them. And I know Amanda got the other variation of this product. She got the Rose Toner. I actually got the Red Energy Recovery Serum, so I'm super excited to talk with her and compare notes on these products. I think it'll be really fun. Next, we have the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. I actually did read about this product. You can use this all over. You can use it on your face and your body, which is unusual. Typically, like body moisturizers are a different formula than facial moisturizers, I guess just for like the pore clogging aspect of it all. But this one apparently you can use all over your body. So this is pretty cool. I'm excited because Lord knows your girl needs some moisture. Next, another product I'm more excited about after seeing Amanda's unboxing. I'm so glad she came back to her Allure Beauty Box. Girl, I missed you. I need my partner in crime, man. But this is the Radical Glamolash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume. She mentioned being super excited for this product and how great this brand is and how expensive they are. I had no idea. I'd never heard of them before. So I'm really excited to try this on my lashes. Lord knows now, especially with my lash extensions turning into tarantula lashes, and who knows when I can get them refilled, you know. It's going to get a little darker before the dawn, ladies, with these lashes. But you know, I'm excited to have some more mascara to play with, especially from a great brand that she's excited about. And lastly, another variation I got from Amanda, she got the other mask that I believe is for firming. I got the Hyaluronic mask, so I thought we could also compare notes on this one and kind of come together, you know, team up and share our thoughts on these. So that could be a fun future video idea. I've never tried this brand before, so this is Lapcos. So it should be a fun little masking night. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the products I got in my Allure Beauty Box this month. I'd love to know which products you're excited for. Also, I'd love to know if you subscribe to Allure Beauty Box. It's $15 a month, and they always have great products. And I love that this little magazine is chock full of information. It talks all about the products and different variations. And I love that these products were hand chosen from beauty editors, you know, feature editors, such like that, different beauty professionals. It's not so much in some subscription boxes. You might find that these products are like older products or they're ones that weren't as popular or something like that. Whereas these were all hand chosen for how great they are. And for $15 a month, I think it's great. And if you have a larger collection like me and you kind of get stressed out about space, I love that the products in here oftentimes are more deluxe size, so you can try it before you buy it. And for $15, 6 products from great brands that are already recommended by Allure beauty professionals. Man, girl, you can't beat that, girl. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope y'all staying safe and healthy out there. I know how much I love you and how much I'm thinking of you. And until the next video, bye.